Hello guys, so welcome back to your daily entertainment bars right here on Odate GH TV. Please, if you are new here, I'll urge you to subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime you drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. And also don't forget to also drop your comments in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Asena yawura ensem no mo ba bia ye hyaase every enie. Yenimyenua funny face a chese yene no ebomu esre edi agro eye bibia. Na nsentem ensemu epejaye ewo abefo ntintankese so ene radio ahodo so ene kowa adwuma mu amiedi honkomo a. Ne nyina ne se funny face ekonya aban amane asem ne kopie mu ewo court a. Court chese se de asem ne kono yesa yede no ekọ eye bia yehwe nipa adwen mu amietu anamo eme yehunu se na dwen no eda ba bia se da na afi se wotie nsem a woka ene de wafamu ne niema ahodo bi no a atemuafo no susu se eho behia se yetumi ede no kona ekohwe na dwen mu ne nsemi se ka obi beka se kasepa efri ne ma ho anu afo mu mfoni no de asisi ne nchen wo su ebi se bia ebetumi aba se ha no ene nti sabre ba bia woda no so ohu ne ma no enne oh funny face ho ebeto no enam so mana bebre no adwen eno na eno be da tumi abamu na obi ahunu kwan ye betumi afa aba eni se na ye wo hɔ a ye nkɔhwa ye nua kwaku manu watwa sinia wone funny face eno achi so no kyese aggressive no wa form manfo na aye aggressive na wode namu a ye hwɛ ye wone Ella ne Bella ene bɔ ne bui enye no nko a Vanessa enso ka ho bi Vanessa maame enso ka ho womo kɔhwe a womo akopie ayaresabia ho ama ho mfoni afa internet yi so a womanfo aka se oh ade ye fe we de fa ne beba fie nchefi se o hwa ne ha okase pa eno no ansa ne ebekɔ Vanessa eso no emema kwaku manu akwaba
ye ni obrapen
kwaku kasa no se background bia wo mu amfa nche enkra no na womo ema ye backing vocals sa
yes
wokodu of funny face what to say
no kwasem bra ko fi se wani ne mo mensese obi ba betin ana obehwe no obeka kire o yenwa ne ye metma ka se 100% said ye ni da form ni kasa like obi ye bibi na hu se wonu hu a hu kura hu se wonanim said ye hu maame na se hu eye friend say eye oba no if you call say busasa na se obema we na utimi say arehomo na okasa kura no wosu epa machew se do aye bia no opagana fo nyina so achew na se enwa no ho ye pa bragofi
o share picture no a said ye wasi cha se picture no obia gina straight
yes
wono nko achia kwa one side utumu se ochia kwa ba bia
the picture ni dido
ochia kwa ni diem sa mo hwe ye wo Angel TV so be hu se funny face and washa white e wo form and black e wo soro atade de gu animu aya twene de mi hunu ne papa wa twa be ne yire ene ne mai a se enije abapa me describe say be ya bia wo mai u TV Angel TV a uti radio so a ubetumi ehunu de ekoso sese a ye di ho enkomo yi ti fefe pa na okan asem bia na akwaku
de okan me sheda ma ye video kwakra bi se if me post ne bia kwa community TV or YouTube no kwasem ye kasa obi anu hu a wotumi se ye nua no wo yawo mu se even cry no wotumi dina abonten e kasa di atem na dade because sebi meme no nua ye nim se ye nua ye obi a ye ba se onyi aseresem enka bibi man kofo sere sebi o do obeka se obejimi ama obi asere ye nya adwuma ye no but obi a wona adoma chede awurade nyankopon de che no but wo hwe we nyina na hwe de sisi na no ye asi ya na yekoto no hokra no begin kra no be 2 minutes na obi antimi nkasai
obi a tori mu
obi sese when na starting come on na se mi amesa ye busua panyi eye wofa eye bibia na yekoto no lawyer so ye den e wo ho ana doctors so ye wo ho so no kwasem omo ye nipa se dagofi sese ehia masenka e Facebook live ana dagofi wo ho nanka eda bibia mu nanka obi aye den e hwebi na wo hu se de enwa na ho keka ye dey na about according to doctors no so me yesem be man 2 weeks ana sisi ya wotwa mu 1 week na ye de nyankopon asese ye koto ne sister ba kon so wo ho a on the share bibia say bia be abusian so be hu say abusian nya ne kura because abusian ni na e won nchen obedidi obenom obebibia tino media to me no hwa me manim ye sede aya ye penipa kan kosen say nipa beto from na go fo unyonko da no da na industry na ewo musoso no wodi agwo na asem tu obi pe asa agro woni mra wo so na ginsemu a obi enu obiem ye kan wo bai woni ne wo ma miensa pampers kura to ya asem ketwa so won say that ntie even basa na bata no Vanessa maamene ne papa no na ahoma bi na abesa wo mo kon akoya konfohye basa papa ne ewo ho no wo ahode no ye na adwuma Vanessa mfa ne haw enkoto ne maame ana ne papa so papa no mom behwe ne ma de bia me kasa sebi be ma akura mpo so wonu agya akura no nte se be ma do ne ma wonu agya akura mo behwe ne ma bi aso so eni se ye de ahokeka ko ya ne kwasem Ghana fo so ye post two pictures ahokeka ne ani gi ankofo ne share no
kwaku bebre but ma memra wo ba no so enkra no munya omo no manfo se enkra no su no ye omo de wo kan comment na mo se enkra no mamo omo nye dede ella bella mo nye dede we akire mo ma ye
se ankofo so afi wo mo
mo nye dede Vanessa bakode
me pa shrine
udi kan hu funny face enne ewo eye bia wo sisi a psychiatric hospital ho no de na ba wadwin
no crepa dear nebufo I wouldn't lie nebufo but o started say o kasa no na you could hear remorsefulness in his voice inti me yedi for some time me kakra ena say obia kan de fache enye hwe obi empanyimfo no bia kan inti aye na edru me so na ebisa se de na meka na mse me de mini hwe ka because minim no me natna enya mum enkra miensa I know him quite well so if not for anything na enkra ninti me de bibia che no me fan che na kamemma me dia che ninti na me bae no nti enwa
and they say if you pain no call and I say we nipa be very plain.
I can't keep pain in me because I breastfeed his child. If there's pain in me, I would extend it to the mano. Because uhoma shinebe ho and at the end of the day na nyo no nko amba meso memma enti no memfa ne ho asem nhye mu because me ne wo mma senka shini wo ho a me ko kuma se na pregnancy near 3 months I could have chosen to taken it off but umbedi once nechi ever me so I kept it and today I am a dese ohun no ni age after all this while
enkra no omo hu say ono a Ella and Bella
omo hu ni mom de no musu
oh
omo nkai no
hey like oje omo kra no musu
omo anko
ese omo suro mema
dem yes omo suro mema omo nyanru that stage a omo chimi kai easily no
debi omo
ko so 1 year kraba ana
debi
May ni anya 1 April
no mo nya 1 year anya ni ntino Ella and Bella
stars
ubo mu din so mo te pa o ubo ya bo no o mo twomani yes yes say ohunu say obi twari boban ho a no afa ne say ye da bi say na me nso meye o enti yesi esua de free mu wo yiri say de aban nyina de na de ba ye say yesua de free mu na ebi ma bi o
ebetimi ato bia man free ne nchen me free ama ne ho abekire no ana me free ama bibi say ato no enti sebsey no uyo obi na otina abonten na osire eye wo de say wakọ ahohiehie mu ana say he's going out of his senses it can also happen to you odo ne mentina ke fanitim and they are here because I remember Thursday papa bi wo ho no frɛ me no say me pa cho meje wo number free sister Lydia ho de nti a me frɛ ne say ote hɔ a Vanessa Elembela nti wo hia ne ma no ene wo ne nchen at least oba ebeboa. And I came, and truthfully speaking, no, I'm very happy to see him. Very happy to see him.
Odone teko kakra na asen aba ho.
Odone tinko.
Oh, that's all. I guess na kra unya yanka obeye.
Oh, David.
This style.
Oh, cannot crack. And they say kabia uhuni, we say no say ya na depa. Reconciliatory ones and you say ya na depa. Oh, and now unya ba kwa senka nyeba.
Oh, David.
Oh, you bet me a special arrangement too. Sexy don't.
Me win check.
Oh, okay. You try 2 months. Eh. Titene na na omukro chiu.
And then
and then all that be on say computer internet.
No, but say nye kuro no ewo mu na senka na bia.
Oh, why not?
Teacher say na Ella ne bella omokasa kakra.
It's saying, how are you? I'm fine. E come de no beka.
Okay.
Otimi ohun dog a obeka, ohun cat obeka, ohun bed a obeka.
Okay.
Otimi bo mi din ama, otimi kan ekua.
Okay.
Otimi kan na, otimi kan kweku.
Okay.
Otimi like small the people around no. And your ma wota aka no. Obeka.
Oh, okay. But omunya kan da oh.
Omuka but omunim se da ni. Be ma bia ye da.
Oh, okay.
Nkwa be mu ne bia. Obi am hu bia ye.
Obi am hu bia ye da. And also na me hwe o ma me o mommy.
Patron o feedy baby.
Oh. I don't mind breast milk.
There be formula.
Eh mommy say na bia na o mitimi ya na communal labor. When ono kaka. But also issue ne ba ye no. Nsem bebre APA out of anger. How is the family omo ja bibia ma na car omo hu ne sen and still adwuma bi wo ho ese san ye bi o ka ho
obi ja bibia ma me na wakofa benti wa kan wasem ono wakofa benti wa kan wasem and me na makofa ba mintime mpo no mintime nto na ntwene menene wo ma. So if I let him be, is like me, I'm letting my kids be. And se sia me wahe na bi obi frɛ. Oh, Vanessa ibia. Ya me fa masa bibia na na yawa. Men sere ebe me ya. Because me ne woma. And I have explanation to give my kids. If it happens like that, they would grow to a point and be like, yeah, papa way. And what would you say? Mebufu nti. Senke bia me de chair na ka enju baby eju yen. So it's best I let go. People go into relationships and some even die. But thanks to God, I'm here. I have my kids. I have my life. So if he's saying he's sorry, who am I to hold on? I have to let go. There's nothing I can do. Mean to me, nkasenya wo maybe me call back cry and ma. So there's this connection that is always going to be there. Senkayeni madia, it would have been different, but this is the case where there are 3 children, not even 1, 3. And you can't prolong or say makuma was sure ebekwa. You have to give him the chance. Introduce the kids again to him. Let him feel that maybe let the kids also feel your papa need that kind of thing. So I'm ready for everything that happens.
What kind of social media comments the way how do you take them?
Today or when it started?
How were you reading some of these things near day?
I remember there's this one commenter, Miriam Fida, me screenshot simple. Obi catcher me saying, Vanessa, I don't know you. Nenye me page or go to baby. So I go through every page. Not my kind.
Okay.
I don't know you, but if you stay with him again, you are the most stupid, useless person I've ever come across. Because someone who does not know how to bath, doesn't even brush his teeth, someone who smells like this. So at a point, maybe tonight I was like, has she been with him before? Because the person came to my page, came to send me a personal message. I was like, okay, may I reply? The comments I got, a blogger crowd be posting caption or the bet twice. So sometimes I'm forced to reply some of them, but I sit back and I'm like, and the mindset you can't change it.
Yeah.
It's going to be very difficult to change someone's mindset unless the person is ready to change. And this is me, my kids, and Nanaya. Any other person has his or her own opinion. Me, and I'm a map papa no. So because I'm in a bet now, nobody can stop me. Because I'm in a now, nobody can change my mind.
So, but that means have a different way. Well, I want to yes, I not here, but the big can home and ye Obi crab a catcher me say, oh, de me no cry now, Obi on your be our bear too, ha. We so my mema ha. Hey, and I'm say okay, because Nana ya na minute no, or a bear means or buy a normal.
You. That could feel you, no.
Or buy a normal because Mr. Moba until your bano the bar. And Nana on fancy me. O pie ko ye bibi kwa obefio be ka kire me ama e bia na me call Miss J girl we number girl we cast open me ama me girl we akoye say wa ha o yeah, he tells me
bibia
everything,
not a very democratic
everything. Nana ya on fa asem nsie me on fa asem nsie me e to da bia sometimes we were close to the extent that the phone da hwa na bia me hyede mo timi onya call otimi de boss ama peke. Ebi a girl be am in year bibi years ago or frɛ me picking can be chair.
Hey. And now what's your course?
Was I new secretary?
I don't try. What's your ma? Ebi a company be from me Paul contract. Catch say the year me adwuma.
On and no fear do.
Yes. But a jubre be na say me ho afuno no. Okay. So I realized, I tried talking, I was like, Nana, then am I? Now on to me, mommy, any reason. So I realized, say, Nenyakwa. Because Ebia in a family or in a house, and you'll be no person who de bia was say, and you'll be and I'm the youngest. Yeah, busia na me mother we 4 girls. Me mother was 3. The 3 banners were 3. The otoso now 1. The last born is why was 3. Men kwama 4.
What's the record now?
That's a
ma 4. Omu nyina so ye ma. Omu nyina so ye ma.
Ketrana so your ba.
No ma 4.
Papa,
hey.
Yes, I'm to Panama woman.
But the way I watch why your secretary will fear or picking the course now, how did you meet? We had an issue.
You try series B. Troubles to troubles.
Okay.
And now, or day trailer and send day. Papa Kumas and I produce and the send day and I no say or panacho post man. No. And at the beginning of the thing, of the trailer, I mean, I'm starting.
Okay.
It was me. And I say, hey, girl, no, you're me fool. No, say, hey, no, you're facing. No, say, oh, me pen, funny mammy. No, say, oh, Vanessa, I don't know. Or what about? No, say, oh, say, it doesn't matter. No, the neighbor, so I go. So, Papa catch me. And I'm saying, no, I'm not ready for a relationship now. No, say, oh, dear, I should just listen to him. I mean, see the Obeka. I'm like, okay. Into me, why na baby friend me pick or says me funny face, and I'm saying who is funny face or say Nanaya, and I'm saying when you call me, give me your house name, don't give me your stage name. And I say, hey, you are rude. And I'm saying if you called me, so if you can't talk to me, you better hang up. Into a catino. I say first ehona sentokwaba until later ena osafre and I says nanaya na I'm say okay we started talking chatting into eju bam said 2-3 weeks no se memra mesra no bo onti member and I'm like okay to me call no man kra me busiafo Macrobia.
Okay.
Me catch my mother say me call Kromaba. And she was like, okay. Ti me call ye. Na adiasa no afe ama oma. She said, "Okay, I'm doing crime." And the insult started with the matema but and yeah. Right now she has, yeah. We met in September.
Okay.
18th September. 18th October, I was pregnant.
Hey! We are in them.
And I'm in the water for.
Okay. Wow. And she, why not? Because I question about me. Say,
did be a normal number.
Na, sir.
And so come my granny.
So see, so you funny on the coffee.
Me dinner cheap sang coffee. Of course. Me pesa me and impenebi.
Okay.
Inti so pesa on the metsana. He knows what he has to do. Because Minetna as a girlfriend, and it later led to a baby mama, and now we have 3 kids. Into Mesana Nikotna, just a baby mama. There's nothing. Into at least I have to get that respect. I have to upgrade myself.
Oh, okay. from
a baby mama to at least a wife
to Mrs. Fanny.
Yes. So a holiday I know say me to me kuno fie. And Tokwaba, I may also meet me hononya me boy beam. Na makaze and Tokwaba and Mese Janiako.
And boy in Intima Ugani, yes, I wife and Kaumian, is that the case?
Yeah, send the meeting team. It got to the point where I thought, say, Mamenko, Ebia win hear me. Because some of the words he could use, no. Me say bia, ko aya me ho ade akwange kasa ansem ne nche me. Until the Mamenko, so hear me obeba. And to God be the glory. Any today, me na we hear me a we hu me a ho ntori.
Odona shift to one side. But so what does so pa?
Oh, me penase mentano.
Baby, me penase dey say ba siri ni on person be ka se me no wa ya ka wa se me no nya fine. O peno.
Me penase mpa. Me don't pa.
And because of that, the questions need be why young Kobe Bree. Be say the same way. One say see I can't some way see I was say they see cano. And you can't say one say no. They was say they see cano. When you can friendly match. Ah, we are quite funny abana. You be the actually ni abana fi. Aha. Yeah, questions be here. Among for actually omo say you are very sweet. Or say this lady is sweet. Almost a very sweet what can say yes so was a very intelligent lady, God bless her. And if we Frederick was say but in all this lesson then a person man for be a free
If
and grandmother the demo Ella and Bella more nice. Oh mekano mweja announce your presence. Hey. They say young Kasabi yet young granny. Yeah. Okay, so
competition. Boy be saying ni e sunu do. On fa na say nsuo pa masi wodi na koshim. Akwani ye din say woni say wajesu okunu. Oh. Grandma me bato no. Grandma me bato no. O fosu yi ni ba ni wie. O grab brem ka kwani mo tie mu a wo ha ne ba. O grab brem asem na ka say
yɛbɛda ase but sɛ de me kan no futu a wobɛgyina we so de ama yɛ nyinaa especially celebrities no ɛba yɛ ayɛ bebree deɛ wasua firim deɛ na manfoɔ ka wɔn mu anya ayɛ ananka anya yie bio kra wɔn mu a kyɛ sɛ ayɛ bebree deɛ na wobɛka ɛde atwa to
ade a mɛka ne sɛ in a situation like mine talk less if the other party decides to talk much, me being a lady and me knowing the consequences of talk, especially when it comes to us now, as in social media, internet and everything. There be a make say social media baby I say wasem potowa in free order. O ma benyina ba be hu. And during that time ne krano, it would be a bit advanced. Say bien ne was so far phone cry and san ebia obi aye. But ebia a bedroom rebi no. I say abroche upie fifi and ebia ya show baby you'd see it. So you just talk less. If you really want it to work, but say umpe biem dia, and dear opesa what do you feel like doing?
Like I said, yes,
but me wanting it to work because of my kids, I had to be less. I had to be, excuse me to say, I had to be the fool to achieve everything, because at this point, I'm thinking of fees, I'm thinking of diaper, I'm thinking of wipes, I'm thinking of food, I'm thinking of a place to stay. So if I don't keep quiet and endure, I can't enjoy at the end of the day, because I had to endure for my kids to be happy. And this is the responsibility of a mother. Obadi, I was so jiya na no ama umeni aji, and I say wama be meni aji. And at the end of the day, me ye dino, meti one your friend. If you don't come, he can't survive it. And me, because I want him to survive it. That's why I came. So if you want to be happy, if you want your relationship to last, because there's nothing like a perfect relationship. Nobody can tell you there's a perfect relationship unless you get one. No man is perfect unless you, the woman, makes him perfect to your choice. Obia one definition of perfect. In the Abia obe perfect amame, but we obe ba onche onye perfect ma. Ba me pema de sa.
Wafutu na emudopa. But mami misa question we clear my once and for all. Ya tese yase funny face. Or you 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
Pacho Dave.
Or how many minutes?
Men check it.
Lana doggy crab, black coffee, doggy crano. It may take you more than 20 minutes.
Okay. Because then 2 minutes, and 2 minutes. 2 minutes. They say, Crano, I know why I say.
But you got to have an MP before, and this is me signing.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Go, say, I can't know. Canada. Like I say, Obro 2.
2 heavens.
Men check it.
I was Yabadama say, Ella and Bella, the woman to be Casanti. Yes, I can be beside more 1, 2, and 3. So say, Kwaku, Yabadas, and so say with you or buy any more Mamuko PMO hospital home. Vanessa, I said, that's a Yamin Shell say, the Wayani, the Nipaye, yes, and Wayano.
Now, that was Miss Medal Sumasi, a Yamonin pay for a Jayasham, Swati, I say. Ti NSA me call and ye try ye free kumasi ben nyano ye try video kakra ye nam kwa so ye bedu nkranim ye call hospital fani so kasai e pampen for cha on that but you maybe me post no community TV or YouTube amadofo a omo akoma na omo yem hyehye omo ma fani no sebi o omo so hu say omo nua no omo dofo no omo star no e okay eti. And I always said the picture crowd said this be a gun or social media. That means another Ghana for no PBBI day. eti ama bibia hu ti no na go fi Nyankopon so enhia mo so Tell me, me drop a video no me page or Kokumenu TV or YouTube or.
Okay. Kwaku, you said as a dog, you know who here wa.
Papa, doggy dear. Now first, imagine him course. Na me nua na me say dog hu hia pa.
Why?
Me nua funny face. Who say dog in na dog in bla yen na yetimi na chire dog o.
I don't no
me say dog no papa what me say so special. Me nua ni suan was dog no. Dog no timi ba na me say Vanessa me slow. Yen hia doggy. But you see ade akwa no. Ye hia map no. Ye fa me mama o ma say de ma o na aja. Omusua na. Say doggy.
You better want say Vanessa up a doggy pa.
Doggy dey hu here. Sister Mpacho doggy to say Mpacho. Sister doggy to say.
Kakuma swing. Anya juma ni.
Miss me. You doggy.
Put me on the side, Samia. What's say?
Sister is around the doggy bed they say.
Ghana for abo sopa.
Samomo.
Ghana for abo social 1.3k comments.
Wow.
Yeah, it's na say aba.
Wow.
Meka say a big comma Vanessa, but man for abo say e ba sa no. Na man for the omotion ne say obeka akọ peke asem no tunchemu. Blogger, no dey akọ to no dey J views. And also be kwa akotena be gwa no wakeke bia no dey age views. But what to anamo a e dey nkabo mu ene dey na Ghana for hwehwe no. E dey abantinya mi show. Why ya dey sa na ye no obi o a oni ni nyina wo industry ba kum no na hwe ase oni ni mpagya. Enti hia no so obepagya ni nua. So why ya dey? Oni Vanessa na so mo di nkomo kaka. Wa kasa papa.
Nice one.
Wa kasa pa. So mommy, ya mi show. Enye fie bia efie bu o ha no ma omo twa de. Ke ba say nti no kwa ni je bi o so ade a chi a wo bia ni oba bi sa usa o ma na didi
sai so ba wo kuna ewu no you have a chicho re so wo do chicho we we bo so da ne dia wo je ho re fi so obi kuna ewu
nti nyame sha the kids are so lovely they're so lovely
na me so me da bu so so
but am fa camera no try line bella so na you say funny face you hwe hu o mo se sia wo se na that is Ella and Bella. Very beautiful. Yes.
What TV no person ko
but me difference no. When who TV no so and we gina ho
Bella ni na Ella net ho.
We dey who difference no because me who.
Ba ko mu edu chen ba.
Hey.
Eti da mo kese be ye pe no.
I know na ka be say.
Me di omu
no want for kasa.
They are not the same. Omo nsema me but
yeah the omo sema ye. I will feel want for that man no hu omo. Ai. But oga.
Yeah.
Wo omo ma want for no.
Omo TV no.
Na we dey kwa na say funny
because me share me who difference.
Me kwa say funny obetuma hu ata na penya na kaka o hwedin o si ba ko ni tinimu odusin ba ko. But you see I don't know mo kwa no. Mama me no so ye beda me na se na ada ne papa so ase abusua no na me ka se abusua na nyina mu a se bi we nyina ntimi nye den ensi ti no ma nya me hira o na
mami ya da se why nya me hira o
da bo fi mi si mi huru fo ka me ko ka fa o se me ko hwehwe mami me du a me hu na me se ma me se no se ah hwa na ba hwe na me se Vanessa se ade na mami na se ma ade ablani an ka fi ase
era wa si bi kwaku that one say Yeniaba Vanessa and afi Kokumenu and yeni womo edi enkomo no yada so but when na theater no
Bella kaka
Bella na theater no
na
omo monye merry-go round
papa ti mi akotwa series yeah series Ella Bella nim ukobo nyuma ma yi na say Ella Bella let's papa oh daddy but we here family me said on betimi aba together na ayefe na wo finya me shao
on shao so I was here for na yetwa kasebo no so Angel 102.9 FM sanso na wo hwe wo Angel TV so abusia ba ko nso wo fie ha arehosem ne se bema ya accuse no se wone obi ada emu areho enam so ama make I say wakum ne ho ya na okum ne ho wie ne yakokọ ye test no